Welcome to 2026, and what you're about to see inside the workshop explains why this year already feels different. Also, we held a Porsche event, bringing together like-minded people to share their love of cars. The variety was astonishing. This 718 Cayman GTS arrived early, along with this 1978 928 previously featured on the channel. A colourful range of Caymans and Boxsters with early bird 911s arriving too, including a very nice turbo. Not to mention Indy's breakfast corner, masala tea, samosas, maybe later. We always aim to create a family-friendly environment and every so often open our doors to the world inside ABT, showcasing our work in progress, current projects and some of our past builds. Soon the classic generation began to arrive, a 993 and this gorgeous G-Series SE Targa sitting on BBS RS wheels. Next, Raj Sanger from Cass and Raj's Garage arrived in his track 2018 991.2 GT2 RS. Events like these allow all of us to socialize and make new connections. In the booth, another showstopper, the Thing 964 Widebody RS Bad Boys project. Click the link in the description to watch its rebirth. But the star of the event, the most asked about car of late 2025 and now 2026, is Bob's new Ferrari 355 GTS. Follow Bob for real-time updates across all our socials, and we'll also be dropping a dedicated YouTube series here very soon. So hidden away in the back, this 964 project, we are restoring this car and returning to our roots. Another carbon roof conversion. More on that build here on the channel in the future. Now let's not forget ABT's trio, the ever popular Backdate and the 997 Ruby Stone supporting a new look, and the sensation of 2025, the Mercedes 190 Evo Plus concept, sat as an honorary Porsche for this event. Carreras, Turbos, Caymans, 996 Future Classics, Turbos, Boxsters, even Cayenne Turbo GTs, all at this event. Not all truly Porsches, but a fantastic turnout nevertheless. But then we began to notice new arrivals, like this gorgeous, unmistakable 992.1 GT3 in lizard green. And it was not the only one. By this point, some people were beginning to leave, but more surprises followed. We had a truly epic turnout of cars at the event, from Raj's GT2 RS to multiple mid-engine cars and wide-body builds. We also had 3 GT3s, including an RS variant, and a select number of GT4s, which you will see in the following images. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the montage. And this is exactly why 2026 already feels different. Make sure to be part of it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell to stay informed, leave your thoughts in the comments, and we will see you here next time.